Hi everyone and welcome back to Code Family. So in this video we are going to explore four different ways to swap the values of two variables. So as you can see I have mentioned four different ways. The first one is using a temporary variable. Second one is using addition and subtraction. Third one is using multiplication and division, and the fourth way is to use XOR operator to swap the values of two variable. So first let me print the values. So as you can see it is printing a equal to 3 and b equal to 4. So now apply our first way of swapping, which is using a temporary variable. So for this I have to declare a temporary variable called as temp, and this temp I am going to initialize with the value of a, then a equal to b, then at last b equal to temp. So in this process the values of both a and b got swapped. So now let me run, and as you can see it is showing a's values as 4 and b's values as 3. So now let me explain how it actually works. So when we assign a to temp, the value of temp will become 3. Then a equal to b, in this step the value of a will become 4, and b equal to temp, in this step the value of b is equal to 3, which is the value of temp. So this is a very basic approach to swap two variables. Now let's understand how we can swap the values of two variables without using a temporary variable. So in this method we are going to use addition and subtraction. So in the first step we have to set the value of a as a plus b, and in the next step we have to set the value of b as a minus b. Then again we have to set the value of a as a minus b. Then let me run, and as you can see its value is again swapped. So it is showing a value as 4 and b as 3. So let me explain what is happening here. So when we set a equal to a plus b, the value of a will become 7, which is a summation of 3 and 4. And when we set the value of b as a minus b, so here a is 7 and b is 4, so a minus b will be 3. Then a equal to a minus b, here a is 7 and b is 3, so a minus b will become 4. So now a value will become 4. In this way a and b's value also can be swapped. So now let's try that another method, which is using multiplication and division. So let me first comment this code, and this multiplication and division method of swapping is also kind of similar to the addition and subtraction. So in the first step we have to set the value of a as a into b, then b as a divided by b, then again a as a divided by b. Now let's run it, and as you can see it is also getting swapped. So when we do a equal to a into b, then it will become 3 into 4, that is 12. Then in the next step when we do b equal to e divided by b, a's value is now 12, and when we do divided by b, which is 4, it will become 3. Then when we do a equal to e divided by b, here a's value is 12 and b value is 3, so now it will become 4. So in this way also, by using multiplication and division, you can swap the values of two variables. Now finally let's do the fourth method, which is using XOR operator. So before that let me first tell you what is the property of XOR operator. So when we perform XOR between two similar bits, it will result as 0, and when we perform XOR between two different bits, it will result as 1. So in the first step we have to perform a equal to a XOR b, then in the second step we have to perform b equal to again a XOR b, and in the third step we have to again perform a equal to a XOR b. So now let me run the program, and now as you can see the values of a and b is swapped successfully. So now let me first tell you how this actually works. In the first step we are setting up a's value as a XOR b. So a contains the value of 3 and b contains the value of 4. So if we write the binary of both of these, then it will become 0 1 1 XOR 1 0 0. So its result will be 1 1 1, which is equal to 7. So now a's value will become 7. In the next step we are setting off b's value as a XOR b. So here a is 7, which binary is 1 1 1, and b's value is 4, which binary is 1 0 0. So if we do their XOR, then it will become 0 1 1, which is 3, and in the last step we are doing a equal to a XOR b. So here a's value is 7, which binary is 111, and b is 3, which binary is 011, and if we do their XOR, then it will become 100, which is 4. Now a's value will become 4. So in this way, with the help of XOR operator, we can also swap the values of two variables. So I hope guys you got to know how we can swap values of two variables by implementing these four methods. If you got to know any new concept from this video, then comment yes, and if I miss some another methods, then please comment down below. And if you like this video, then give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe Code Family for more such content. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.